Tuesday night, partly cloudy.
System has been activated. The Merrillville Police Department has a confirmed child abduction that occurred at 5655 Massachusetts Street in Merrillville, Indiana. Xenia Shannon Sanders is a female, black 7-month-old infant, 24 inches tall and weighs 19 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is wearing a white shirt with a watermelon on the front, with text that states Grandpa is one in a melon, a diaper and no shoes. The mother of Xenia reported that Lunder Notel entered the home through a window without permission, took the child without permission, and fled. Lunder Notel is a male black, 35 years old, 5 foot 9 inches and weighs 160 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Lunder Notel is driving a gray 2006 Acura TL 4-door sedan with Illinois license plate A6216. The suspect is believed to be in Illinois. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes the Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. Here is your forecast for DeKalb and surrounding communities. For the rest of today, showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms late in the morning, then showers with thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Breezy. Highs in the mid-70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour late in the morning, increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West-North G5. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 521, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Henry, Lake, McHenry, and Winnebago, and Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a
under special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 6 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from Wilmette Harbor to near Midway Airport, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and adjacent waters of Lake Michigan. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Michigan Point, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Midland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 22 nautical miles east of Windsor Harbor, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
To bring you the latest severe weather information. The current...
DeKalb County in north-central Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Quebec to near Medula to near Ottawa, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Ottawa, Peru, Moselle, Rochelle, Sandwich, Mendota, Byron, Oregon, Amboy, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Portland, Oglesby, Davis Junction, Hinkley, Silmanock, Earlville, and Waterman, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 55 and 111. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 94. Interstate 88 between mile markers 52 and 95. Includes St. Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Mathewson State Park, Storms Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, West North G536 in DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring where forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, W North G536 in DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur. Severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and Lee counties. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern LaSalle County and Rockford, Illinois. An area storm capable of producing a tornado is located over Minnesota, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. This damaged thunderstorm windows in the rural area of northwestern Racine damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Racine and south central Lee counties. This includes Tri-County Rail Route, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 71 and 73. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA Weather Radio, W North G536 in DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and Lee counties.